Okay, so just a quick demo of the final prototype of our 1/18 scale hot dog stand. So I'm going to move this figure to the side for a minute. So this is based on Lucky Dog stands, which are seen all over the French Quarter in New Orleans. It has a separate cooler, which opens. Handles work too. And it has a bunch of fun play features. So here's the general stand. And this part opens. I'm not sure what is actually in this box in a real Lucky Dog stand, but I assume propane. And then we can look inside. So both of these open with print and place hinges. So we can open and bend back, and flip over, and open and bend back, flip over. And we have in there we have some containers for condiments, which have their own lid, which got a little disrupted. And then here we have a grill with hot dogs. And then plenty of storage here and here. And yeah. So that's about it. Still lots to do to make some custom stickers for the menu and a little bit of decoration there. But this is pretty much, as far as the actual like pieces themselves, I'm calling this pretty much done.